The world of technology is constantly evolving. New innovations emerge, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. In the realm of artificial intelligence, a groundbreaking development has taken center stage: OpenAI's O3. This revolutionary AI system promises to redefine the landscape of artificial intelligence, bringing us closer to a future where machines possess human-like cognitive abilities. For decades, scientists and researchers have strived to create artificial intelligence that can truly mimic the complexities of the human brain. OpenAI's O3 represents a significant leap forward in this pursuit. With its advanced capabilities and unprecedented potential, O3 is poised to revolutionize industries, redefine human-machine interaction, and shape the future of our technological world. The advent of O3 marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of artificial intelligence. As we delve deeper into the capabilities and implications of this groundbreaking AI system, we embark on a journey into the uncharted territory of a future shaped by intelligent machines. OpenAI's O3 is not merely an incremental improvement over its predecessors. It represents a paradigm shift in artificial intelligence. Designed with the goal of achieving artificial general intelligence, or AGI, O3 possesses the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, much like a human being. This remarkable capability sets O3 apart from traditional AI systems, which are typically designed for specific, narrow tasks. O3's architecture is built upon a foundation of advanced machine learning algorithms and vast datasets. This enables O3 to process information, recognize patterns, and make decisions with a level of sophistication previously unseen in the realm of artificial intelligence. Unlike its predecessors, O3 can adapt to new situations, learn from its experiences, and even exhibit a degree of creativity. OpenAI has developed two versions of this groundbreaking AI system, O3 and O3 Mini. O3 represents the full-fledged version, designed for high-performance computing environments and complex tasks. O3 Mini, on the other hand, is a more compact and resource-efficient version, making it suitable for deployment on a wider range of devices and applications. This two-pronged approach ensures that O3's transformative capabilities can reach a broader audience, impacting various aspects of our technological landscape. At the heart of O3's revolutionary capabilities lie its key features and advancements, each representing a significant breakthrough in artificial intelligence technology. These features work in concert, enabling O3 to achieve unprecedented levels of performance, efficiency, and versatility. One of O3's most remarkable features is its enhanced reasoning ability, which sets it apart. Known as chain-of-thought reasoning, this capability allows O3 to break down complex problems into a series of logical steps, mimicking the human thought process. This enables O3 to tackle intricate challenges that have long eluded traditional AI systems, making it a game-changer. Furthermore, O3 excels in few-shot learning, meaning it can learn new tasks with minimal training data, which is highly efficient. This adaptability is crucial in a world where new information and challenges arise constantly, demanding quick responses. O3's coding proficiency is equally impressive and noteworthy. It can generate complex code, assist developers in debugging, and even automate software development tasks, potentially revolutionizing the tech industry. O3's simulated reasoning capability adds another layer of sophistication and depth. It can pause and reflect before providing an answer, allowing for more nuanced and accurate responses. This deliberate approach to problem-solving further blurs the line between human and artificial intelligence, making O3 truly unique. Section 403, in Action Real-World Applications and Transformative Potential. The potential applications of OpenAI's O3 are vast and far-reaching, spanning across various industries and aspects of our daily lives. From revolutionizing software development to accelerating scientific discoveries, O3's impact on our world is poised to be truly transformative. In the realm of software development, O3 can automate tedious and time-consuming tasks such as code generation, debugging, and testing. This frees up human developers to focus on more creative and strategic aspects of software engineering, leading to increased productivity and innovation. O3's analytical prowess can also be harnessed for scientific research. It can analyze vast datasets, identify patterns, and generate hypotheses, potentially leading to breakthroughs in fields like medicine, material science, and climate change research. Moreover, O3's problem-solving abilities extend to complex mathematical calculations, logical puzzles, and strategic decision-making, making it an invaluable tool in various professional settings. Beyond its practical applications, O3 also raises intriguing questions about the future of content creation. With its ability to generate text, translate languages, and even compose music, O3 challenges our traditional notions of creativity and authorship, sparking debates about the role of AI in the arts and entertainment industry.